Are you ready, kids?
What's up, ladies and gents? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you had a fantastic video. Now, I'm sure if you're following up on this video and you got in on my first call for the sponge token last week, you are probably up thousands of dollars in profit at the moment. So congratulations to you guys. Since the weekend, we have had a bit of a sell-off, but I know loads of people have made some juicy money on this 100x potential coin. And from when we first called this, basically it's done a 3,300% increase in price, did a 33x from the bottom over here straight to the top. So we did get that retracement. So just a bit of a catch-up video on Sponge token. You can also see there's some massive news as well, because tomorrow Sponge is going to get listed on another centralized exchange, which is a top 10 exchange. So, the question we're all asking ourselves, when Binance, of course, would be absolutely amazing. We saw Binance list Pepe, Floki, so it is actually possible to see Binance even list coins such as Sponge. So this is absolutely crazy speculation. There's also been a website update since the last video. So we've got a different kind of front page. We can see it's already on LBank, Uniswap, CoinW, Poloniex, as well as we do delve deeper into this shit coin season. So remember, these are very, very high risk, high reward plays. And in my opinion, these shitcoin meme coins are basically super, super fast 4-year cycles where you navigate through every single psychological stage of a market cycle. So this says keep calm and absorb the damp. Sponge is the #1 community meme token. Here are the tokenomics that we can now see. So we've got 61% circulating supply, 29% locked up, 10% for the centralized exchange liquidity, and then there's going to be a stealth launch, DEX liquidity locked as well, contract renounce. So this is all good stuff that we want to see. Of course, you can buy this token on Uniswap or the other platforms that we've got above. If you want to hold it on an exchange, that's absolutely fine, but the way I did it was through the DEX platform on Uniswap, which is really cool. And there's also an airdrop coming soon, so watch this space. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel and get yourself into the Discord down below if you want to keep yourself updated on all the inside news and the latest crypto calls that you don't want to miss out on. So crazy stuff is happening. Of course, we've got that massive exchange listing coming very, very soon, but they're already up to 36,000 followers. They got trending on DEX tools, they got trending on Twitter over the last few days, which is exactly what we wanted to see. Of course, they're also going on BTCX as well, which is another one which is absolutely amazing. And let's look at a bit of the price analysis. So of course, if you did get in at the top, there's now 10,000 holders for this coin. I would never advise buying the top. If you're buying here, you're buying pretty much the top of the bag, and the longer you wait, after these massive green candles, you're getting all that FOMO over here. You're effectively holding the top of the bag. The upside potential is minimized, and you're actually in the greed, extreme euphoria phase of the market cycle. If you got down here, when we first started to look at the coin, you're still up by 827%, which is phenomenal gains, guys. And it comes with no surprise that we actually corrected down to this particular level here at 0.0005, where we had a ton of sort of touches of resistance and support in this symmetrical triangle before we had the massive parabolic launch back on the 6th of May. So 3 days ahead, the price has gone absolutely parabolic. We've seen a 33x for this coin, and there was a large sell-off, and it was going to happen at some point, just like every overextended sort of euphoric and extreme greed phase in any market cycle. Look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, any other coin, this pattern will happen, and we've seen the blow off top effectively happen here. And now I'm really seeing the next key level of resistance. If you did buy back and you had the balls to do it, amazing stuff. You'd be up 2x on your money from that particular level just yesterday around 7 p.m. on the 8th of May. But the real price target now, following the big updates and things that will happen for this coin, if it can continue to trend, then we're looking at another 45% explosion to the next resistance barrier up there. Of course, if the market for some reason flips really bearish, then it can still tumble back down to the 0.0005 price level. But we're really looking at the 0.001 price level as a target. We want to slash off another 0 for this coin to see some bullish continuation to the upside. Market capital wise, we're looking at 40 million at the moment, so it's not too much still. And getting this coin to a 200-300 million market cap, is it still realistic at current level? Absolutely, it's realistic, but it's going to take a lot of momentum and hype from the bulls to get there, because when the coin is up here, of course, the market capital was much higher. But it's nice to see this particular level of correction, and it looks like it was needed, you know, it was needed. We needed a cool off. It wasn't going to keep going up forever, and we just basically corrected that 0.786 Fibonacci level, which is absolutely amazing to see as well, following that technical analysis. Coin is available on Poloniex, as we can see here, trading at 0.001. Also some other places you can buy on centralized exchanges such as CoinW. And looking at the actual overall market at the moment, we can see Pepe is sitting at 752 million. So what's happened to Pepe? We've got kind of, because it's sort of the barometer of the market right now, similar sell-off has occurred. Similar sell-off has occurred. We had the blow off top with euphoria, but we're still certainly very much in a meme season. Last 24 hours, we're getting all these tokens still pumping a lot. And I don't think Sponge has run out of momentum just yet, guys. If we look at the volume, we can really see that Sponge is still a trending token in terms of the trade volume. From one, bear with me. Really don't like this new coin market cap, by the way. What the heck is going on? Basically $50 million worth of Sponge traded in the last 24 hours. It's still trending with the volume. The eyes are on the price still, which is of course very, very bullish. New world of Sponge. So let me know your thoughts. Are you still buying this coin? Are you holding? Have you already sold your position and made some juicy profits like tons of people in the Discord did, and myself? But yeah, very, very keen to see what's going to happen. If you're looking for other ventures and potential massive 100x coins, I've also got some links plugged down below for you, like AI Doge pre-sale, which has now raised over 4 million, the Y Predict AI platform, Launchpad, as well as D-Lance, which revolutionizes the freelancing recruitment sector by Web3 blockchain, and also Ecoterra, a recycle to earn platform, which I think is super cool as well. So there's a few coins that you can check out, links down below, but this is not financial advice. You've got to go do your own research. But yeah, there's a little update on Sponge, guys. Thanks so much for joining me on this wild ride, and it's been such a pleasure to see people make a lot of money during this very euphoric season that we're seeing right now. But remember, guys, to try not to FOMO into these things and get into projects as early as you possibly can. I think Sponge has still got a good 2, 3, 4, 5x possibility from the current price level, and absolutely it's trending and big things are coming for this coin. So see you all soon. Subscribe if you're new here, and bye for now.